Hello, my lovely friends. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to draw a super cute rabbit step by step in a very easy way. Yes, don't worry if you are a beginner, I will guide you with lots of love. Yes, okay, so you can enjoy drawing with me. Let's start creating together. Our cute little rabbit, our cute little rabbit is ready and looking so beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe this video. Bye bye.